Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel in Lika ERM 147. Asik. Okay, guys, I want to share about beginner friendly about tutorial. Yes, tutorial in this. Actually, this is video about my task SKL or roles graduation maybe that. Okay, so I want to share beginner friendly about tutorial how to set up the Flutter environment. If you are new to Flutter and you feel confused about where to start, and you don't worry, I was also confused at the beginning. Okay, and this video I will show you the basic step by step to prepare Flutter on your laptop. Okay, and in simple way. So let's started. Before we install anything, let me explain a little bit about Flutter, ya guys. Flutter is framework developed by Google. We can use Flutter to build mobile application, but for Android and iOS using one code base. Flutter use the Dart programming language. Okay, but don't worry about the language for now. No, today we will focus setting up the environment first. Okay, so what you need before installing Flutter. Okay, before you're installing Flutter, there are a few things you need to prepare. First, you need a laptop or PC or a computer. Okay, and the second one, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Okay, because you really need stable internet. Okay, internet connection. And the third, you need enough storage space because Flutter is quite large. Okay, and lastly, patience, because sometimes the setup process takes time, especially for beginners. Okay guys, now start in installing Flutter.
Okay, now let's start installing Flutter. First, open your browser, then go to the official Flutter website. Okay, I'm writing the browser Flutter install, and your font is SDK archive, and download previous letters this. Okay, after that, download the Flutter SDK based on your operating system, right? This video I choose Windows, and for new version Flutter in up. Okay, waiting and download Flutter SDK. So once the download is finished, extract the Flutter folder. Okay, extract your Flutter after download. After download is finished, okay, wait, extract, wait. Okay. Now, I usually place the Flutter folder in a simple directory. For example, in Drive C. Now we need to set this environment variable. This step is important so that Flutter can be accessed from the terminal or command prompt. Go to your system setting, find environment variable, then add the Flutter bin folder to the path. Okay, you can new path, and after setting it, open your terminal or command prompt. And this step might look confusing at first, but just follow it slowly. Right? Okay, next we need Android Studio. Android Studio is used to install Android SDK and other tools that Flutter needs. And you open the Android Studio website and download it. Okay, this I'm download in website Android. So after installing Android, open it and make sure okay, in Android Studio you can download about Android SDK is installed and platform tools are installed. Okay, you don't need to be an expert in Android Studio. We only need for the tools. Okay, this I wanna check download in Flutter SDK in Android Studio. Android SDK or Android SDK comment tools, Android build tools, and Android SDK platform. You can download in Android Studio tools Flutter. Okay, now let's check if Flutter is installed correctly. Open your terminal or command prompt and you type Flutter Doctor. Flutter Doctor will check your environment and show what is already installed and what is missing. If you see some warning, don't panic, guys. This is normal for beginners. Usually, you need to install Visual Studio Code, which is purple. Okay, you need install Visual Studio Code, which is purple. Is this okay? You install so you can check all the Flutter Doctor. Just read the message slowly and fix them one by one. Okay, bye bye guys. See you next tutorial another in my channel. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.
Now guys, common problem and tips. Okay, but for experience, here are some common problem beginners, like Flutter command recognized or Android license not accept or emulator not detect. This my tip is read the error message carefully, but because this is very important for beginner or for programmer, about read the message error. Okay guys, so your literation read code error message carefully. Okay, and next, don't rush, and next, Google is your friend. So you can know there are many people who or it's like GPT or Gemini, but try searching first on Google, yeah, online community or the Stack Overflow. You can think more deeply, yeah, okay. But if you are really stuck, then look for it on GPT, okay. Okay guys, that's how you can set up the Flutter environment for beginner. This is setup process may feel complicated at first, but once it's done, it will be worth it. Yeah. If you are still learning, take it step by step. Learning programming is not about being fast, but about being consistent. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial helps you. I hope. Okay, see you next vlog. No, see you next video. So bye bye guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
بالحسن يبرق في حسن وإصرار على جبين